snaps in right there. Okay, so this is the little sample pack that comes with it. And let me open it real quick. So it's just a few pods, well, more than a few, 12 to be exact, and they kind of tell you the description of each one right here. You can see that. Okay, now we are going to descale the machine. So I've added, first you want to rinse this out and then add filtered water into here. This is not going to work. Okay, too tall. I'm going to take that out, put that there. Okay, now we have finished descaling the machine. The water is hot, so now we will brew a cup of coffee. So I'm going to deattach this, get some more water, dump this out, and go grab a coffee cup. So I got the water in the container. I am going to take my cup, put it right here. Okay, and that is a cappuccino cup. Then I'm going to grab a sample. I'm going to take one. And which one am I going to grab? Let me do the decaf one. This is going to be an intensity of 7. And this will be a little, this is a smaller pod. It's going to make an espresso shot. So let's just open this. You can just open it by tapping on the metal piece. There it goes. And then I'm going to just stick it in right here with the foil side up. And then push the lever down, and it should begin, I believe, or let me see. Okay, I'll press the button and it will begin. There it goes. Okay, the sound has stopped, so that means it's finished. I'm going to feel the cup real quick. In the past, some of these Nespresso machines for the Vertuo line, a lot of complaints have been that it hasn't been hot enough, so I am going to take a quick sip. And that is much hotter than my old machine. That was not hot enough. I had to return it. So I'm going to make a little cappuccino by using the frother. Okay, now we have our coffee we just brewed, and then we're going to froth some almond milk with it. It has a little magnetic spiral frother in there. Sticks right in there. It's magnetic, so it doesn't come off at all. Add a little bit of milk. I'm going to steam it. So if you press the button once, it will become hot. If you press the button twice, it will make a cold froth. So we're going to do it once. See, the red light is on. It is cool right now to the touch. It's not hot. It's really, really silent. I can barely hear it. And I believe it is finished. So it'll stop on its own when it's finished. Then I will add this to the coffee, and voila, there's my cappuccino, and it's hot. And I'll take a sip. That was mostly foam because it's kind of hot, but let me try that again. I got more of the coffee and it is very good, very tasty. Well, that is all. I'm gonna go clean this out and put everything up. If you have any questions, just email me and I will get back to you.